boxing is passion for myself. I love being in boxing. It is tough, but I am the toughest.
Every champion has a story. Some are born in stadiums, some in training halls. But a few begin their journey in the most unexpected corners of our country. Today we bring you the incredible story of Tajamul Islam. A girl from Bandipora in Kashmir who at the age of just 7 became the youngest kickboxing champion in the world. Her first steps into the ring were not just about sport, they were about courage. At an age when most children are still learning to write, Tajamul was already throwing punches that would put her on the world stage. Growing up in Bandipora, she chased a dream very few could even imagine.
I was a young dancer. I used to perform in my school with my other co-dancers, and my other younger sister was with me. We were always the ones, lead karna hai, lead karna hai. So we have one person in our school. He was a major, and I was in the Army Gujarat school. So Army used to support us back then very, very much more. And he just found out something that I have to give platforms to young people in Kashmir, teenagers. And our school also participated in that. It was something titled like Bandipora's Got Talent, like this. And then I saw something, people kicking each other, they're punching each other. And I just asked one of my teachers, "Excuse me, madam." She said, "Yes. What is this subject about? You didn't taught me that." "Are you, excuse me?" So she said, that's a subject actually, but that's not for you. This is martial arts. So, and I was like, oh, blah, blah, anyways. But that is fabulous. And then I went back to my home, and then I really on my TV, and I was really looking at my TV, and the boxing match came out of nowhere. And I was like, no, it just really clicked in my mind. I think I should start this thing. It was something that I can say that time, really Lord helped me to make that choice, go, and I really made it.
मेरा नाम है बॉबी सिद्धू। मैं तजम्मुल के बारे में बोलना चाहूँगा कि तजम्मुल को आज तक मैंने जो भी कमिटमेंट करते हुए देखा है, तो उसने हमेशा उसके ऊपर वो खड़ी रही है, उसको हमेशा हर कमिटमेंट को उसने पूरा किया है।
Kickboxing is not just about strength. It's about heart and resilience. Tajamul has faced opponents older, taller, and more experienced, but never let that shake her spirit. She tells us about what goes through her mind before every single fight, her rituals, and how her style has evolved as she moved up from sub-junior to competing at higher levels.
मेरी athlete practice like that is the last time you're practicing, and when they perform, that is the last time you perform. So for me, that's something. I do have strategies, I do have my skills, I do have techniques which I have been working on since when I started, and I think that is really helping me till now, and that helps me all the time when I participate. So when I really get into any ring, where I am in my national level, state level, so any time I do take a step into my ring, the only thing which I think is this is your bout. You're not gonna lose it. And the more important thing is you have to take much more pressure on this, that you have to update your game level, because I don't play, I think, for being experienced, or he or she is experienced, or we can say inspiring. We do play with boys. They are much experienced, stronger than you, and if they are experienced, it is something it helps me. You're gonna learn from them. If they are not, you're gonna learn from them, because you're gonna tell them what are their mistakes, and if they are strengthy, you're gonna put more strength, and it eventually helps you. At the end, it helps you. It's not something that you have your opponent that you don't have fear or something. Okay, fear is in that ring, but that is not in my heart. That is, I think, in my opponent's. This is how I deal with things. You are the one, and I don't feel anything. You are the one. This is your last match of your life. Go play it up. And I play for the gameplay, I think, and that is, and I enjoy playing. And I think when you know you are the one, nothing can beat you.
Behind every medal lies sacrifice.
Sacrifices means almost everything in your life. You need that passion. You have to be ambitious.
She opens up about the toughest challenges she has faced, both physical and mental.
The unnoticed things are the biggest things, because deep inside you know how you're gonna deal with it, how you have deal with things, and you know how it feels. You know what you are overcoming, what you are becoming, what you wanna become. So I think these are the challenges in your life, and the unnoticed thing is something that you want to do this, but you have to do this. You love it, you enjoy it, but deep down there is something, I think, a little teji in you. नहीं dance भी करना था. Oh, I want to do football sometimes, or the sacrifices I think is that you cannot have a diet where you can eat anything. Junk food हो गया, pizza हो गया, वो हो गया, and you cannot miss any day. It's something you have your fixed routine, and when you are far away from your family in your hostel doing this, that, and your mom calls, have you eat something, are you done with this, are you done with that, and balancing all the things and giving everything to your sport is sacrificing everything in your life, and every athlete sacrifices everything for their sport. And I think this is what we are, I think, made of. This is what we have to do, and we are used to it now. So we love it, we enjoy it, and I think this is how we balance, and it makes us much more stronger.
As an athlete, I believe I see the discipline and the fire, and that's the most crucial thing, the grit that takes you to the glory. That's what we believe in at Outplay and Mumbai Boxing Academy. We have our hashtag grit to glory. So that's what I can see in her. More of that, I read about her story, and I see that she started when she was just 7, and she won the youngest world kickboxing championship. So that was a really great thing, because being the youngest to win to be internationally renowned, it's a big deal, of course. And then moving on later, she won the second title at I guess Cairo. That was the place where she won the second title. So in short, having through her experience, now she's running the Heather Sports Academy, the foundation. It is supporting hundreds of girls. It's a big deal to have came from such place where there is no support, and then proving yourself to be the pillar to drive such initiative. It is a big deal, and I see a perseverance that could make that shows no boundaries, which indicates that a person needs no boundary to dream.
In a society where girls are often told what they cannot do, Tajamul found strength in someone who stood firmly by her side. Through every doubt, every barrier, that unwavering support became the foundation of her journey.
इफ़ मेरी माँ वहाँ नहीं होती उन टाइम पर जिन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट दिया है मुझे, एंड आई थिंक वो उन स्टेट्स पर मेरे लिए लड़ी हैं, पापा से, मेरे लिए लड़ी हैं सोसाइटी से, इवन मेरे लिए वो अपने रिलेटिव से तक लड़ी हैं, एंड दोज हु वर अगेंस्ट माई मदर आर अगेंस्ट मी एंड आई एम स्टिल अगेंस्ट दैम। मेरी माँ ने मुझे जितना सपोर्ट दिया है आई डोंट थिंक कोई दे सकता है। उनको लड़ते हुए देख, मेरे लिए हमेशा डाइट बनाते देख, मेरे लिए लड़ते देख, मुझे ये हौसला देना आगे जाओ, वो करते देख, वो बोलते देख, आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए ज़िंदगी में उससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत कुछ नहीं है। आई थिंक वो चीज़ है जो मुझे हमेशा हर एक बुरी चीज़ में भी सुंदरता दिखाती है। शी इज़ माई रोल मॉडल, शी इज़ माई एवरीथिंग, एंड आई थिंक उन्होंने इस बेटी को जो शेरनी बनाया है उसके लिए मैं कितना थैंक यू करूँ उतना कम है। She is my inspiration. She is everything to me, and I just love her.
Winning world titles is extraordinary, but Tajamul believes her real fight is outside the ring. Wearing the tricolor on her jersey is not just pride, it's responsibility.
It's something, your discipline, your hard work, the way you have been motivated. Boxing is passion for myself. Boxing is something that not the whole universe can give me. Boxing is next to this universe for me. I love being in boxing. Harder, harder, make it go harder, come on. Yes, and I love enjoying it. I love every moment of it. The way you have been killing yourself down inside you, and I think from the bottom of your heart what you have been doing things for and how, why. All the things comes in one thing, that is, I'm relieved. This is the one side of every athlete, I think. Come on, Teji. You got it. You can do it. Let's go. Hey. And the second thing is, this is everything I needed in my life. Everything means everything. Making my parents proud, my teachers, one of my friends, the closest, dearest ones, my sibling, my country, my nation. Serving your nation is everything. And I think on top of that is nothing. That is next to the universe.
She founded the Haider Sports Academy to train hundreds of children in Kashmir, turning her personal success into a movement. She shares how she balances being a champion and a mentor, and what message she has for young girls who dare to dream.
For every young boy and girl, every teenager, it's always you. It's in you. Bring that up, that passion you have, that you are ambitious, your obsession, use it as a weapon. And when you're gonna know it's always you, you're gonna see world through your eyes. Just see the whole world through your eyes. That is onto you. And कभी कभी बच्चे होते हैं, teenagers होते हैं, they are something कि हम first step नहीं ले पाते, we are financially weak, we are that with it. It's okay, I got your back. I have my academy in Kashmir. People train their students, kids, senior category में हर एक बच्चे को हम train करते हैं. We have that level कि बच्चों को अब बहुत ज़्यादा आगे मदद मिलती है. और अब मैंने और एक इनिशिएटिव पे काम कर रही हूँ. इट्स नॉट कि आई फाइट इन द रिंग ओनली. आई ऑल्सो वांट टू फाइट आउटसाइड द रिंग फॉर द यंग गर्ल्स, बॉयज. आई डू हैव दैट ड्रीम ऑल्सो to make somebody's dream come true. So for that I have run and I have owned and made an NGO named Emerging Bharat Welfare Foundation. I am the director and Mr. Bobby Sidhu is the director. We actually both discuss things. Now we help poor, disabled people. We help teenagers. We help them to achieve whatever they want to do. If अगर आपको problem होता है to take first step, we are there for you. We will gonna hold your hand and we'll gonna take you for that one step.
मैं इमर्जिंग भारत वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन की बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि वो हमें स्पॉन्सरशिप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं.
We're gonna take you up from the bottom so that आपको वो लेवल मिले कि आप आगे पार्ट ले चीज़ों में. This Emerging Bharat not only helps you कि आप अच्छा करना चाहते हैं, ये आपकी मदद करेगा खुद को ढूंढने में. It's gonna help you like that. क्योंकि जब एक इंसान को बेस बनानी पड़ती है तो बहुत वक्त लगता है. आपको वो बेस पहले से ही बनी हुई मिलेगी. हम लोगों ने श्रीनगर में, कश्मीर में बहुत से फंक्शंस किए हैं. मेडल सेरेमनीज हुई है वहाँ पर जिन्होंने नेशनल रिकॉर्ड्स बनाए, इंटरनेशनल रिकॉर्ड्स बनाए. वी हैव फेलिसिटेटेड देम. We have encouraged them. We have helped disabled people. Now we are about to help patients in the hospitals. Now we are about to open the cancer care center. This initiative is for you people.
उसने मतलब हमेशा दूसरे लोगों को मोटिवेट किया है. बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो उसके कश्मीर से हैं या श्रीनगर से हैं, जम्मू से हैं, जो उसकी एकेडमी है तो वो कोचिंग करती है. तो बहुत सारे बच्चे उससे मोटिवेट होकर वो भी अपना फ्यूचर इस तजम्मुल की तरह ही देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं. वो लोग भी उसी में फ्यूचर देखते हैं वो लोग. हमने इस बार इमर्जिंग भारत वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन से हमने एक फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट किया है जिससे कि जम्मू कश्मीर के बहुत सारे बच्चों को हम सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और ऑल ओवर इंडिया में जहाँ पे भी स्पोर्ट्स में बच्चे हैं जिनकी किसी वजह से हेल्प नहीं हो पाती है या वो स्पोर्ट्स में किसी भी तरह की कुछ भी उनको प्रॉब्लम आती है तो हम अपनी फाउंडेशन की तरफ से हम और तजम्मुल उसका हेल्प करते हैं. हमारी फाउंडेशन में अभी कम से कम 3000 प्लस जो बच्चे होंगे वो जम्मू कश्मीर से हैं और 2000 बच्चे हमारे मुंबई के धारावी एरिया से हैं.
No champion rises without resistance. Tajammul has faced doubts, criticism, and the weight of being a girl, breaking stereotypes in a very conservative society.
If I'm gonna go back to those days, it was something fabulously problematic, very problematic for me because convincing my father was something. It was, I cannot even give it a name of any challenge. That was much bigger than that. And having a father who is unsupportive for that, that was really gorgeous. But that time it just helped me. That was the fight going on for months and months. And that pressure, I was really, all the time when I participated in some competitions, I was shaking because the fear of not having gold medal, in your hands and going back, और मेरे पापा कुछ और बोले, that was just killing me deep inside me. And if you are not getting any medal, you are not continuing your sports career. That was it. And when really it kicked me, and I think I really kept that on, that convincing my father again and again, being that stubborn kid. I don't think I was convincing him, I was begging him all the time. And convincing my mother to please Papa ko manao, to please her to Papa ko manao for my career, because this is what I want to join, this is what I want to do. And he is all the time, आपको नहीं करना है, टांग वांग टूट जाएगा, who's gonna marry you then? Now, excuse me sir, you are talking to a kid. I am not a teenager. I don't want to marry. I just want medals.
She talks about her lowest moments and how she fought back with resilience, and the moment she realized, yes, this is what I am meant to do.
Go hard every time, every day. Become the best, the one. And for that, you need every second of your life to be hard, to be done. Hey, if the society would never have been there, I don't think that I would have ever been able to take myself from that and to understand myself and to see what obstacles are, hardships are, problems are, and how to deal with it. When I really started that, all the society, the environment, it was something, all the negativity and the statements, you were a kid and आपको नहीं सुनना वैसा चाहिए किसी kids को, तो वो चीज़ें जब आपको सुनने को मिले, देखने को मिले, I think it helped me, and this is how I take things on me. बेटी को क्यों आगे ले जाना है स्पोर्ट्स में? अरे मुक्का खेल ये सब लाते वाते मारना है तो लड़का घर पे बर्तन धोएगा, बेटी को झाड़ू पोछा कराना चाहिए. और कुछ आंटीज सोसाइटी की मुझे भी बोलती थी, एंड आई वाज लाइक डैम आंटीज आप ये कैसा बोल सकते हैं एक बच्चे को, मैं सोसाइटी में क्यों हूँ. बट रियली अगर वो सोसाइटी वहाँ नहीं होती, वो नेगेटिविटी, वो उनके डाउट्स नहीं होते मुझ पर, आई डोंट थिंक मैं उस चीज़ के लिए आई थिंक मैं एबल हो पाती खुद को ढूंढने के लिए, मैं वहाँ पर पैदा हो जाती. Because this is how I take negativity on me as motivation. उन्होंने बुरा कहा है, okay, now you have to slap it up. कामयाबी से नहीं, बेटी को एक बॉक्सर बनाइए, वो मुंह तो जवाब देगी अपनी कामयाबी से. तो ये एक ऐसा सपोर्ट है जहाँ आपको मुक्के खाने भी है, आपको मुक्के देने भी है. You have to punch it and you have to take something. So when you're gonna be calm, जब आप मुक्के खाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं कि दिमाग लप जाए. You have to be calm so that you can understand कि mistakes कहाँ हैं.
For Tajammul, what is her bigger mission?
When I was बहुत छोटी, from that, I really wanted to be an Olympian.
The Olympics.
So Olympics is on the top. मुझे Olympics में part लेना है. That flag, a national anthem, that everything, that moment again and again अपनी life में लेना है. But that Olympics में जब तक खेलूँ तब तक खेलना चाहूँ. I have prioritized it.
Professional kickboxing or creating social impact.
अभी के लिए मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना हूँ. प्रोफेशनल किक बॉक्सिंग आई डू लव दैट, बट प्रोफेशनल किक बॉक्सिंग बाकी चीज़ें मैं ना लूँ, बिकॉज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर ओलंपिक्स इज़ नॉट अ जोक एंड यू कैन नॉट बी डिस्ट्रैक्ट बाई थिंग्स. उधर जाओ इधर. ओके, यू आर बेटर, यू आर परफेक्ट इन थिंग्स यू कैन डू, बट दैट्स समथिंग इफ यू वांना डू दैट, यू हैव प्रायोरिटाइज समथिंग, you gonna go for that. And I know कि वो गोल तो मेरा ही है, वहाँ जाना है, and for that I think nothing can come into my way.
उसका अगला टारगेट है ओलंपिक में गोल्ड लेके आना. उसके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क कर रही है. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, वो बचपन से ही बहुत हार्ड वर्क करती है और अभी वो सुबह उठती है, प्रैक्टिस जाती है. जैसा उसका पिछले कई सालों से शेड्यूल है, उसको कंटिन्यू फॉलो करती है.
She shares what chasing glory means to her. Is it a personal pride, national pride, or paving the way for others? And what kind of legacy she wants to leave for Indian sport?
I wanna know it कि people ऐसे know करें. I wanna make it that way कि people हमेशा उसको ऐसे देखें कि the legacy which nobody can reach to, the legacy of dedication, motivation, inspiration, the legacy of everything, the legacy of Miss Tajammul Islam.